We are at the new Dick's House of Sport in Buffalo, New York. I think this is actually Amherst. We've got a Schindler 5500. Does not have a rear door. It's got an all back glass window. All glass back window. The panel's already a bit loose. The indicator's just like the South Park Mall one, which is pretty neat. Back up to 2. Yeah, the panel's already a bit loose. Look out this way going down. Very cool elevator. We'll end the tour on 2.
Yeah,
very cool elevator.
Good. Thank you.
Yeah, of course. And there it goes. And watch it go down. Cool elevator. All right.